Hello, I am Dr. Arvind Kidambi Sheshadri, Consultant Surgeon, Aster Integrated Liver Care, RV Aster Hospital and other associated Aster hospitals. The topic is what to do after getting listed while waiting for a deceased donor liver. There are a few things which are important. First and foremost, don't put your life on hold. Continue doing whatever you were doing before you became sick if you are physically up to it. This keeps you occupied. The next thing is the diet. Do not neglect the dietary aspect. What you need to do is make sure that you take adequate kilocalories and adequate proteins so that your daily requirements are met. You can take around 30 to 35 kilocalories per kg and 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg per day. We would advise you to avoid red meat, especially for non-vegetarians. You can continue to have lean meat. Egg white is good. Around 3 to 5 per day would do good to you. In terms of water fluid intake, we advise you to take as much of fluid as you feel thirsty. No need to restrict your water intake totally. Most important thing is you need to avoid your salt intake, meaning salt of 4 gram per day is what is advised. Next would be exercise. What we advise the patient is, if you are an active person who are exercising regularly, continue to do it as much as your body can take. Otherwise, slowly build up your exercise capacity. Start with 1000 steps or 2000 steps a day, then slowly increase it to around 5000 or 8000 steps per day if you are able to walk. If you are able to do more strenuous exercises, we would advise moderate intensity exercise 4 to 5 times a week and 20 to 30 minutes a day. It increases the aerobic and exercise capacity of the patient. The most important thing is regular follow-up. Consult your doctor for any health issues. Frequency follow-up will be based on the severity of your liver disease. The more sick you are, we tell you to follow up weekly once. If you are quite stable, then fortnightly or once in 3 weeks. Continue to do this till you get an organ, because we don't know how long you'll have to wait. It may take few months, 6 months or a year or more than that. Next, the liver is already damaged, so we can give medicines to support it. As of now, there are no medicines that will reverse the process. In the sense, there is no medicine that can make the liver normal or it can bring it back to its original state again. So since the liver is already damaged, we need to make sure that all other organs are protected. Mainly the kidney, because some medicines that we give will have an effect on the kidney. So you'll have to monitor your kidney functions periodically and get in touch with your doctor if there are any alarming signs.